guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be doing a power hour. Grayson is at daycare because I am on call today, and when I'm on call and I don't go into work, I usually clean. And I really like to do power hours because I can fit a lot in a shorter amount of time, and then I don't feel like I have to clean the entire day that I'm waiting. Or also that way I don't start like a big cleaning project or a big organizing, decluttering project and then get called into work. So I could get called in anytime. So power hours really work great for me when I'm on call.
Everybody's been saying.
I'm first going to start my timer, and then I'm going to get started in the bedroom with making the bed and vacuuming and doing a couple of things in here.
You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard.
So I definitely, if anything at all, like to get vacuuming done while Grayson's at daycare. He has become obsessed with the vacuum and will just like stand in front of it and want to touch it and get so excited when I turn it on. So vacuuming when he's home has become very difficult. Where back when he was a baby, he used to be afraid of it, and I would hold off on vacuuming for that reason, and now it's like the complete opposite. But I definitely got a lot of vacuuming done on this particular day. Next, I grabbed a wet microfiber cloth to scrub up any little spots from like milk stains or anything from Grayson that's like that. There's actually one spot in particular that I'll show you in a second that's actually pretty big. It's just from spilled milk, and it created like this spot was like hard to touch, and I've tried a couple different things, even the Windex trick that people do, and I could not get it up. This is the spot right here, and what I ended up having to do is taking the cushion cover off and throwing it in the washer. I was actually really nervous to throw the cushion cover into the washer because I didn't know if it was going to come out with any weird stains on it, but it turned out okay, and it actually got the spot out, so I'm really, really happy with that.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for you.
And this is where I was going to take the carpet shampooer down to the basement, but I still had one room that I wanted to shampoo, so I really didn't want to take it all the way down to the basement and then have to bring it back up whenever I decided to shampoo that carpet, so I just put it in this little coat closet.
I mean every little word. I hold me. Oh. Don't fight it, baby. Don't fight it, baby. Don't fight it, baby.
So while I'm washing the dishes, I just wanted to ask you guys, when I was talking about Grayson getting in the way with the vacuum, do your kids like to help you clean? Are they old enough to help you clean? And I guess one of my biggest questions is, what age did you let them start helping you clean? Or like, what kind of tasks did you let them help with? I'm really curious. Grayson's my first little kiddo, so I'm learning as I go, and I just love to hear what other people do.
Don't fight it, baby. Don't fight it, baby. Don't fight it, baby. Don't fight it, baby.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how they look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk, 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you
Guys, so the
repeatedly.
timer just went off. I still want to do the countertops and the sink, and I think I have a load of laundry to fold, and I will take you along with me for that as well. But I just wanted to let you know that the hour is up. I got a lot done. I did take it a little bit slower because I'm not feeling super awesome. So I didn't want to like overdo it and then just not want to finish anything. So that's why I think I wasn't able to get as much done as I normally can. But I'm still going to take you along with the rest of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss future videos to come. So let's just finish up.
I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk, 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting but I can't help to fall for you.